Ini bukan orang kata tu angkat batu sendiri, tapi memang enak. Because the whole point is saya datang, saya pun nak test juga. Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Punang Abang. Guys, today I'm here at our Abang by Punang Abang outlet located at 1J Clooney Road, which is Singapore Botanical Garden, guys. So, ini hari ni I nak test. I datang sini nak test macam mana I punya staff I masak mie rebus ni hari, guys. So, dari untuk brunch, I nak makan mie rebus sate, okay guys. Mie rebus sate looks like this, dengan yang sate 2 stick. I tengok pun I pun dah ni guys, tak boleh tahan lagi. So without further ado, let's do the food tasting. Okay guys, so this is the mie rebus. Okay guys, you tengok panas dia punya masak. Okay, ada sambal, sikit sambal. Okay guys, bawang goreng sikit. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina azaban nar. Amin. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. Ini bukan orang kata tu angkat batu sendiri, tapi memang enak. Because the whole point is saya datang, saya pun nak test juga macam mana diorang punya quality kan, portioning diorang, plating diorang kan. So memang sedap guys, memang sedap. Bismillah. Kuah dia pun pekat-pekat, tak berair ya. Macam how I ingat dulu tuturan jual mie rebus dekat blok 449 Clementi. So we were famous for mie rebus. So that was more than 20 years ago. And one of the reasons why we are famous for the mie rebus is because kita punya mie rebus memang daripada dulu ada gearbox, okay guys. Okay, sekarang I nak rasa dia punya sate lah. So guys, sate ni sate ayam, you akan dapat 2 stick. So alhamdulillah lah, we've been commented that you know, the satay is nice, delicious by a lot of people, alhamdulillah. And this satay guys, available for morning, okay guys. So even Syed Saddiq came here, he tried our satay. See, I set a high standard for satay because in Muar, we eat satay early in the morning for breakfast. So when he tasted it, he said, "Wah, Hassan, this one meets the criteria and the standards of satay." Okay guys, so Bismillah. You tengok berapa senang dia keluar, lembut guys. Kuah satay dia pun terasa, alhamdulillah. So if you guys are planning to come here, you can come here any single day because we are open every day. Timing is between 9 AM to 7:45 PM last order, okay guys. Every day we are open. So we look forward to serving you heritage food since 1990. Thank you.